Grading, generate, modify linear rules is one of the fastest ways to create a new grade rule for ungraded data points. You click with your left mouse on an ungraded data point, an editor will open up. You are shown which sizes are applied to your grade rule table, and here you can enter the grading values that you would like to apply for that point. I would like to grade my pockets toward my hemline. You always have to enter your value from the sample size toward the next bigger size. So in my case, that would be a movement in the negative x direction. As soon as I confirm, the system will create a new local rule with the content of 7 millimeters in each size. The system automatically knows that the smaller sizes need to go into the other direction, the positive x. I'll do it again. I click with my left mouse on the ungraded data point. The editor opens. I want my pocket increased toward the side seam, so I will enter a value that I like. That is the direction of the positive y coordinate. So if I would confirm with OK, the system would create the linear rule. If I instead click to edit, I can see the content of the new rule, and here I would also have the option to directly adjust my grading if I want, for example, a different jump for my bigger sizes. And the rule is applied as soon as I confirm with OK. I click onto my last ungraded data point. I can enter as well the values in X and in Y. Can switch to edit, do my adjustments for my bigger sizes, and confirm with OK. And my pocket is graded. You can also use the function for the grading of your model lines. I will create a yoke position in my back piece with the function linear rule. I can now go to my ungraded yoke position. With a left click, my editor window opens up. And if you do not want to have the grading in all sizes, you have the option to pre-select which sizes you would like to grade. I only want to have the yoke movement in the bigger sizes from 42 to 48, so I pre-select those sizes. I enter the grading value that I want to apply, and as soon as I confirm with OK, my grade rule for those sizes is created. I click onto the other end of the line. I pre-select my sizes, enter my value, and if I want to check or adjust my grade rule, I could use the edit options, and I now see which grading values are implemented, and I can confirm with OK. As you can see, my yoke line now only grades in the X direction, but the armhole also grades in the Y direction. So often the function linear rule is combined with a second grading function. You find it under grading, grade. It's called internal rules. With this function, I can click onto internal lines with my left mouse button, and the function then trims the grading in each size toward the main contour and adjusts the already applied grading rules accordingly.